Vanilla Coke. What's going on, baby? Vanilla Coke.
Yeah. Hey,
which one of y'all gonna do the beatbox?
What's that?
Which one of you guys gonna beatbox?
I can't beatbox. I tried. I
can try. Are you gonna?
I don't know. Let me see what you got.
Oh Jesus!
I don't know if you can beatbox with braces.
Let's see. He's got it.
Chilling with my. If you got a. If you're chilling with your lady and you can't get laid, you probably got a little penis and you get played. Stage and I got a live band, drinking cocaine out of small red can. You're not supposed to fucking stop.
I don't know. I'm so white. I can't do it.
Seriously, at this point, I think the energy drink should be giving you a paycheck.
You think?
Because you are running more. You guys, first of all, you two have a radio show on Uncensored Net Noise.
Yes, we do.
What can you tell us about it?
It is the Nelson and Joe hour or so, and most of the time the shit is like 3 hours because Joe ain't got a personal life. He's married and he needed an excuse to stay out the house. So we be on the radio on Saturday night just talking and acting crazy, and I want to go, and we're doing breaks, but I can't.
Yes.
It says it's going to be an hour, but you know it usually goes like what, 3.5 hours?
3.5 hours.
Like 3.5 hours.
So why don't you change the title of the show, the Nelson and Joe Hour for 3 hours?
No, actually, this is the funniest part about it. Like, some of my friends watch the show, and if somebody told you that you was gonna see a caramel tan man and a vanilla man on the internet doing a radio show, and one of them was gonna be drinking beer and freaking Black and Mild. If we had to do like a consensus, how many people think it would be me that was drinking the beer and drinking the Black and Mild? No, it's this unprofessional bastard burping in the microphone and freaking Black and Mild and drinking beer.
What is the song that you both come out to every Saturday night?
Tell him now.
What is the song?
He doesn't like it.
It's Ebony and Ivory.
That's perfect.
It's perfect.
It is some of the most cliche, cheesy shit.
That's why it's funny, though.
Ever.
No, because it is.
You have to object?
Yeah.
Oh, what's she saying?
You know what's weird is when you're doing a comedy show in front of two people, one half of that two people is the heckler.
It's like 50% heckler.
And then they're trying to...
50% heckler. There, now it's 100%. Now it's 100%. We got hecklers.
Instead of stand by your man, stand by your woman.
Yeah,
that's
great. That's fine.
Fuck is up. Woman.
All right. So
I have a question for the show. How come you don't have more black guests?
Because on a Saturday night, most black people is doing other shit.
They're down at Cyrus.
Ryan.
Right.
It's internet. That's why.
What's that?
Do some comedy?
How about we do?
All right, you want to do some jokes? You want to have a joke off? Okay.
Tell you a joke?
Have a joke off. That's a good
joke.
All right, let's have a joke. All right, everybody, all three of us.
Would you like to know why we're having a joke off, sir? Because we're the comedians and we outnumber you. That's why we're each doing a joke.
Let's go.
All right. So who wants to do a joke first? Ryan? Go ahead.
I'll do a joke first.
No, stupid.
You go over there. You go over there.
It's all right. Just relax.
We do think you got us started. We do appreciate that.
Yes, you did get us started. We're going to give you credit for the idea. Now we're going to do jokes.
This shit
all right,
don't go
Ryan,
like we will detain your ass.
please do your favorite joke.
Here's my favorite joke of all time.
All right.
How did Helen Keller... Dude, don't do this. I have a sound system. You can fucking hear me. All right? Don't pull this. Wow. Getting worse every second. How did Helen Keller break her arm?
How?
Trying to read a stop sign going 60. It's a fucking good joke.
All right.
Shit, it's a great joke.
I'm going to do my favorite joke, and the only reason I'm going to do it is because Nelson's standing here, and he is my black friend. So, what's the difference between a black guy...
Time out.
Oh.
We covered this shit earlier.
You're
The street is black. The speaker is black. I am caramel tan, inner snicker, nougat mixed with the caramel.
So anyway, since my Jigaboo friend's here, I'm gonna say.
All right, you know what? That was uncalled for.
It was. I'm struggling.
You know what?
It's okay.
10 yards.
You and your Hitler mustache, 5-yard penalty, intentional face mask.
All right.
Automatic first
All
down.
right, I'm gonna do my favorite joke right now. All right, here it is. What's the difference between a black guy and Bigfoot? Bigfoot has a library card.
Oh.
Hit that fucking drum. Hit the drum. Hit any one of them symbols up there. Just tap one. That was the worst fucking go-to joke ever.
All right, well.
If that's your go-to joke, you should be the offensive coordinator for the Browns.
I can do another one. All right. This is my other favorite joke. I've been trying to do clean jokes because one time I had a bad experience telling dirty jokes. One time I told a joke that had the word twat in it, and it pissed off all the cunts.
Oof. You know what? That's what you get for in a joke off trying to do shit from your act, you fucking douchebag. We're doing actual jokes. You're like, hey,
Here's my
Hey, they're crazy.
Ooh. Go ahead, Nelson. Where's your joke?
You know what? This is the joke. That's it. All right.
What,
You
that
don't know
bomb?
any jokes?
You can tell a joke now.
Tell a white person joke.
Yeah, do you
Tell
have
one of
any?
those secret white
They don't
people jokes
exist.
that you do.
I don't have a secret.
That is a bullshit lie.
I don't.
You know goddamn well you tell white people
I don't
jokes
have-
You know you
all
do.
the goddamn
I
time.
don't have a secret white people joke. I don't.
Oh, there's a whole network of underground white people jokes.
I really don't.
I know all about it.
I don't.
I've cracked it. They're secretive, I tell you.
I don't.
Ah!
Do it.
Are those your hater blockers?
Nah. These are the I'm tired of looking at this shit blockers. I don't have a secret white joke. I don't have one in any of my pockets.
No. Do you have any just joke?
I don't even tell jokes. I'm a rapper.
I can tell one.
Why not?
Are you ready?
Okay, here we go.
How do you get a gay guy to fuck a girl? Put shit in her cunt.
Oh. That is fucking great.
And you wonder why you can't get laid when you
All right, I have a question. This is audience participation time. If one of your best friends went out and bought a baby blue Vespa, would you immediately think they were fucking gay?
Yes! Yes!
Yes?
Yes!
Yes. I mean, let me describe it. It's a baby blue Vespa, but it's got the white wall tires.
Oh, yeah.
Do you know what it runs on? Color. It runs on color.
with a milk crate on the back for storage.
You know what he said the other day? He said, Joe, I hope your scooter gets stolen and somebody takes it to the basement of the Alamo.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. With that scooter, if you was in Thailand, you would be the shit.
Yeah, I would. I'd put a refrigerator on the back of that motherfucker and I'd run up and down the street.
You would be King Cock in Thailand with a
I like
scooter
that. I
like
don't
that.
care. I don't care. I got a
If it was a transformer, it would turn into Boy George.
No one knows what we're talking about. It's good.
Your blue scooter, that's what we're talking about.
All right. I'm gay again.
Hey, why do you think people like try to call you out like you gay so much?
I don't know.
Baby blue scooter.
Baby blue scooter. There's something about my face.
It's
Everybody
something
just thinks
about
I'm gay.
you got some underachieving sideburns.
Is
Joe,
that what it
tell him
is?
what you did to that scooter.
Is that
Tell
it?
him what you did to that scooter.
I don't know.
Tell them what?
Tell him what you did to that scooter.
What did you do to the scooter?